Hi all, in today's session we will learn about sed command, S-E-D sed. So sed command will do search and replace in any file. So first of all I am creating a file. Hi all, this is Tom. Today is Sunday. Today is not a Sunday, I am just typing it, okay? And Control D, save. Cat file. So we have a file which is having hi all, today, this is Tom, today is Sunday, this content. Okay, so I am going to replace sed search for this replace with that, okay, in a file called file name file. Okay, so this command is not going to make any changes in a file currently. So what it did nothing, because this is uppercase and we have lowercase, so that's why this should be lowercase, then it will get replaced. So if you see here, it got replaced with that. Okay, so this is a case sensitive command. You have to give the exact value what you want to replace. Okay, so I am clearing my screen. We'll go this sed -e. Okay, first we'll see cat file. We have I as is twice in this file. So if we want to replace sed, then search for is replace with is. Okay, that's what we want in a file. But if you see, it's replacing the second one only. It's not replacing the first one. It replaces this. So it replacing this S is replacing only the first is we are getting in the line. Like in this line we got is in this, and here we got is here. So it got replaced. But if you want to replace it globally, G, so it replaces all the is in this file. See, is all are in uppercase. So you have to use G as per your convenience if you want to replace globally. So then you can use. Okay, but still our file is same. There are no changes. So if you want to make a change, so if I use -i for edit, okay, so it's going to make changes in a file. So now we'll use sed -i, all the capital search for all the capitals is replaced by the small is, and in a globally in this file called file. Now cat file. So we came back to that same point where we started. Okay, now what we have, cat file. So if you want to replace 2 or 3 characters, so you don't have to use this command again and again and again. See, so now I will show you how to replace multiple words. Like we have cat file, so we'll replace sed s, then we have to replace all, search for all, replace with all globally, and another one search for today, replace with today in a global manner, and a file name file. So this will not work, so we have to use -e here, -e if you want to change multiple lines. Okay, see, all got replaced, and today also got replaced. But if you want to use 3 or 4 or 5 character you want to replace, so what you have to do, cat, I'm creating a file, okay, I'm creating sed input, Okay, there is no file, so we'll create that file, set input. So what we are going to do, set inputs, we are searching for all, replacing with all, we are globally. Okay, and then we are searching for this, replacing with that, called globally. Then third character we are searching for today, replacing with lowercase today, globally. But okay, control D. So now cat file, we will see what is going to replace. This lowercase small all get replaced. This will not get replaced because this is 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 capital in this. Today will get replaced. So now how to call this file? Sed-f sed input and file. See, this lowercase become upper, today uppercase become lower. So in this manner you can use a file for input in a sed command. So you can use sed command for multiple character replace. So sed will take input from sed input command and make changes to the file called file name. Okay, so using the sed command you can find any character, any word in any file and replace it without opening that file. You can replace it from outer, but if you run sed-s search for the and replace with the globally. If you are not using G, so it will replace the first character is matching to the in a line, every line. Okay, if you use D, it will replace all around the global search and a file name. So we don't have D, that's why it's not getting replaced, but I will show you. We have capital THIS, this will get replaced by this. Okay, but it's not making a changes. So for make the changes in this file, you have to use -I every time. Remember this. So for cat file, this got replaced. So now this is all for today. Sed command. See you in the next session. Bye.